Welcome back to Britology. Today we're exploring something so rare, so futuristic, and so unbelievably luxurious that it feels like it came straight from another planet. Imagine a motorhome built not just with expensive metals or luxury materials, but with something that literally traveled through space for millions of years. This is the world's first Meteorite Motorhome, a one-of-a-kind vehicle crafted using real meteorite fragments, turning a road trip into an interstellar experience. Meteorites are pieces of rock and metal that fall to Earth from space. They often travel millions of miles through the solar system before finally landing on our planet. Because of their rarity and scientific value, meteorites are extremely expensive. Some rare meteorites can sell for thousands of dollars per gram. Now imagine taking that cosmic material and using it as part of the design for a luxury motorhome. That's exactly what visionary designers decided to do with this incredible vehicle. The exterior of the Meteorite Motorhome is where the magic truly begins. Instead of standard aluminum panels or painted steel, parts of the outer body are reinforced with polished, meteorite alloys blended with aerospace-grade titanium. The result is a dark metallic surface that shimmers in sunlight with a unique cosmic texture. Tiny natural patterns inside the meteorite metal create beautiful crystalline lines that look like stars frozen inside the surface. When light hits the vehicle at night, the body reflects it like a piece of the galaxy rolling down the highway. This motorhome isn't just about the rare material, though. The design is futuristic, inspired by spacecraft engineering. Smooth aerodynamic curves reduce wind resistance while giving the vehicle a sleek, sci-fi appearance. LED light strips run along the edges, glowing softly like a spaceship preparing for launch. From a distance, the motorhome almost looks like a luxury space shuttle parked on wheels. Step inside and the experience becomes even more unbelievable. The interior is designed to feel like a luxury space station. The floors are crafted from polished black marble mixed with tiny meteorite dust particles, giving them a sparkling galaxy effect under soft lighting. The walls feature panels made from meteorite slices preserved behind crystal glass, allowing guests to see the authentic cosmic patterns formed millions of years ago in outer space. The living area is spacious and futuristic. Soft reclining seats are wrapped in premium white leather, while glowing ambient lights change color slowly, creating a calm and relaxing environment. In the center sits a holographic smart table that can display navigation maps, entertainment screens, or even a 3D star map of the night sky. It's like bringing a piece of a space observatory into a moving luxury home. The kitchen inside the Meteorite Motorhome is equally impressive. Countertops are made from a rare blend of meteorite stone and polished obsidian, creating a glossy surface that looks almost alien. High-end appliances are hidden behind smooth panels to maintain the futuristic aesthetic. A smart cooking system automatically adjusts temperature and timing, making gourmet meals possible even while traveling across the country. Moving further inside, the bedroom feels like something from a billionaire's private spacecraft. The king-size bed is surrounded by a circular ceiling display that projects a realistic view of space and distant galaxies. As you lie down at night, it feels as if you're floating through the universe. The bed frame itself contains small decorative pieces of meteorite embedded into the structure, glowing softly under the ambient lights. The bathroom continues the cosmic theme. Meteorite fragments are carefully placed within the walls, sealed beneath crystal resin to create a stunning natural texture. A rainfall shower uses smart water pressure technology, while the mirror doubles as a digital display showing weather, travel routes, and even satellite views of the surrounding area. But what truly makes this motorhome revolutionary is its technology. The Meteorite Motorhome is powered by a hybrid, electric engine system designed for both power and efficiency. Solar panels integrated into the roof provide additional energy while parked, allowing the motorhome to run many of its systems without external power sources. Advanced AI controls lighting, climate, security, and entertainment with simple voice commands. There's also a panoramic glass roof designed for stargazing. When parked at night in a quiet location, travelers can lie back and watch the stars through crystal-clear reinforced glass. Since the motorhome itself contains real space rock, the experience feels symbolic, like reconnecting with the cosmic origins of the materials around you. Security is another major feature. Because meteorites are incredibly valuable, the motorhome includes biometric locks, AI surveillance cameras, and an advanced tracking system. Owners can monitor the vehicle from anywhere in the world through a private mobile app. The price of this incredible vehicle is just as mind-blowing as its design. Experts estimate the Meteorite Motorhome could cost well over $50 million depending on the amount and rarity of meteorite materials used in its construction. That makes it not just a luxury vehicle, but also a collectible piece of cosmic history. Only a handful of these motorhomes are expected to ever exist. Each one would be custom-built, meaning no two vehicles would look exactly the same. Since meteorites naturally have different patterns and textures, every motorhome becomes a unique masterpiece, created by both human design and the forces of the universe. For billionaire collectors and space enthusiasts, owning the Meteorite Motorhome would be like owning a moving museum of the cosmos. It combines luxury travel, rare extraterrestrial materials, and cutting-edge technology into one extraordinary vehicle. Just imagine driving across a desert highway while sitting inside a home, partially built from a rock that once traveled through deep space. It's a reminder that sometimes the most incredible luxury isn't just about gold or diamonds, but about owning a piece of the universe itself. And that's exactly what makes the world's first Meteorite Motorhome one of the most fascinating luxury vehicles ever imagined. Thanks for watching Britology, where we explore the most unbelievable technology, luxury, and futuristic creations on Earth.